Why is there more of this stuff falling from the sky? Oh man, I'm getting real tired of seeing that stuff falling from the sky every other freaking day. But the one thing I don't get tired of looking at is you beautiful big girl. You give her a nice little pet on those big old cheeks. Yeah, okay, so big surprise, it's snowing again. We gotta get the boat pulled out of the garage and get to the lake. Yep, we're really doing it in the snow. I'm not a stranger to fishing in the snow, but I don't really care for it that much. But my customer today came in from St. Louis, so we're just gonna get after it. It's actually a lot warmer than it was when we fished yesterday. It was like high of maybe 12 yesterday. Somehow still was able to get the boat in. The lake obviously didn't freeze, but it was definitely cold. But today it's like 20 degrees. Super light snow. It's like a dusty kind of snow, so I don't see the roads really being too bad. I think it's gonna stop here pretty soon, but either way, it's pretty cool. So yeah, come along. It should be fun. Bronze is fishing by himself today, so I'm gonna try and rig the cameras up, get some fish on camera, do some live scoping, do some graphing, all the good things that you guys hopefully subscribe to this channel for. So yeah, running a few minutes behind here because it took me 48 minutes to get all 8 layers of clothes on with my boots, only to find out right after that I had to poop. So yeah, let's get after it. Let's go meet him out at the lake and see what the ramp's like.
Hey there, wild man.
Why is everybody looking at me funny on the way here?
I don't know.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna make a video today.
I'm hoping so.
Great conditions.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
All right, let's go.
That way?
Yeah, that way. Whew. Just turning around right there was like one of the scariest moments of my whole life. So hopefully we can get the boat in because the ground is extremely slick. So wish us luck. We did it. All right, so pro tip for you guys who are diehards like I am and want to come out and try and put the boat in with 1.5 inches of slick snow on the ground. Whenever you guys get your rigs backed in, always cock your wheels to the side like that, so if the truck slides backwards, it doesn't slide into the lake, it just slides into the dock. Or you could just be smart and stay at home, but Bronson and I, we haven't been known for being very smart men. We're gonna get the boat dropped in here and get after it. And don't forget to drain your trailer. The one plus side to fishing when the weather's like this is that the crappies should be losing their freaking minds, as if they haven't already been doing that in like the last couple videos that I've posted. But just for you guys that say, oh, fish don't bite when it's snowing or when it's raining, we're gonna aim to prove that different. Well,
I'm ready.
Only one last thing to do. Let's go. Let's do it. There's our fish. Brush pile number 1, fish all over it. Brush pile number 2, fish all over it. You guys can kind of see it on side scan. We kind of split the middle of the channel, but there they are right there on that side. But the down scan picture looks pretty tasty right there. But yeah, we're just running the edge of the river channel. This is where I've been fishing the last couple trips, and there's just been a giant mega school of crappies on it, on the trees and in the river channel. So we're gonna get live scope down and get set up and just kind of see what they want to do. But hopefully it shouldn't take long for Bronze to get his 20 fish here. He's gonna stick around for the next couple days here in Kansas land, so we're just gonna kind of show him what's up. What did we fish for last time? Walleye?
Walleye.
Yeah, we had our limit in what, like an hour that morning?
Yeah, we was on fishing.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and replicate that so Bronze can continue his spoiled streak coming all the way from St. Louis area. So yeah, let's get the stuff, cameras rigged up, GoPro on, and blah, blah, blah. Let's go fish. You just set them right down. You should land right on top of them, and just get it right to the top of the tree, and then just let it sit there, okay, right there. Because what you want to do, like what they were doing yesterday, all you had to do is really kind of pull it away from them, like there.
Yeah.
He's got it. First drop. That took 2 seconds. Oh, he's tiny. That's all right. There's so many fish on this tree right now that we're just gonna have to kind of weed through them. We know where the bigger ones are. We're just kind of starting with those. All right, that's a start. Yeah, sometimes they'll pop up and they'll bite it right away. Other times, especially the big ones, you gotta slowly just pull it away from them. So now that it's close to the tree, start lifting it up real slow, and let's see if we can get any to pop out. Because if we bump,
Here comes
see,
one.
Yep, here comes one. Pull it away from him. Oh, he's got it. Set it. Yeah. Awesome, dude. There you go. Slightly bigger. Slightly. I'm gonna have to push us forward because I want to catch those. Get you to get those big ones that are right there. Right there. Instant. Boom, he's got it. Oh, he's off. I think it's because he hit it so fast coming up. He was just super ultra aggressive. We're fired up. Yep, keep going. Those waves are killing it.
Yeah.
Sometimes I almost find it better instead of lifting to just slowly reel.
Oh, okay.
That kind of helps with the waves bouncing. Is that it? Better fish?
Yeah, I think so.
There you go.
A little bit better.
A little bit better, slightly. Oh, plagued by the 9.5er. See, that group's over here now.
Yeah.
Be fun when we get them to go here. We just gotta wait them out because those are all bigger ones. Several of them. Yep, just leave it right there. Here he comes. Boom, he's got it. Set it. Oh yeah.
That's better.
That's what we're looking for. He smoked it too, so we're number one. Good job, Ron.
Thank you.
Today, ooh, big one right there. Catch his ass. Here he comes. Oh, he's got it. Nice, dude. He ran away with it. Here, you wanted eaters? You got your eaters. That one's still gonna be a little short though. All right. Catch one of those big dogs. You're gonna land right on them. Those are some hot marks. Yep. Once they see it, it should be instant. Here he comes. Oh. Yep, he's coming. Screaming, screaming. Oh, he missed it. Sucker. Giant. Start reeling. Get him. Big one, dude. Giant. Yeah. There we go. There's your teener.
That's the nice fish.
Heck yeah. Nice. Purple and white.
Purple.
Beauty. Great fish. Oh, you're gonna drop it right on that giant's head right there. Right there. Here comes his buddy. Big one, big one. Got him, dude. Nice. Oh yeah.
That's another nice one.
Oh yeah. So they are so predictable, those big ones. You just get them by themselves like that and get a bait in front of them. And
there you go.
nice. 2.5-inch stinger. Now start reeling it up slow. Look at that. They can't stand it, Bronze. Boom!
Another nice one.
Yeah, you betcha. You betcha. 3. Nice. All right, go. Big one's right at the top. Swimming the other way, but he's got friends like that guy. Got him, dude. Feel good? Looks good.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Oh, he's hooked funny.
Yeah.
He swiped at it. That was a gift because he's still down. I feel like the, oh, here he comes. Yep. God, super lazy. Little one went after it, of course. There you go. Yep, bring him up until he bites. He's got it. That's a big one, buddy. There you go. Nice. It's like they look really good over that way, and then I turn it here, and it just looks like the tree. Oh, here you go, here you go. Hot. Oh, that thing was not going anywhere. That's probably your smallest keeper yet, too. Doing it. 7. Oh! He did not like that jig in his realm at all. Nope, you're gonna want to keep it down there. Oh, that was epic.
That was a good one. That's a good
watch
fish.
trolling motor. Yep, nice one. Big butterball. He went for the snot rag.
Yeah.
Show the camera the snot rag. Yep, that's the wiener. Staying on the school. And a quick weather report, it's still snowing. Big flakes. There we go. Boom, got him. Oh. Look, he wants it again. He's back. Got it, set it. That was cool.
Yeah.
He gave you a second chance.
Yeah. You're not such a smart fish.
Nope. And that's why we're gonna put him out of his misery. Go.
Come on, buddy.
You got it. Ultra aggressive. Another good eater. Making quick work. 10 spot. You're good where you're at. We just got to get over the top of them. Little guy. I wouldn't mess with him. Oh, now he looks bigger. He changed his body shape. Oh, he's got it. Nice.
Changed his profile.
Yeah,
right,
he did change his profile. It's one thing with scope. At first they might look small because they're like coming straight up and then they turn. I'm glad he was dumb. I like dumb fish. Drop it down. He flipped. He's slow turning. Now bring him up. Yep, his friend's gonna steal it from him. He's got it. Plagued by the guys, the fish that are stealing it. But we're okay when they look like that.
Yeah.
It's fun to watch them compete like that. Nice. 12 pack. Gosh, look at how many fish are out there, dude. From where we're at right now, 20 feet out this way. Just a massive school. I just get so impatient once I'm over fish. Especially big ones. Oh, dude, giant.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. Good one. Not quite as big as he looked right away. But that's a 12-incher. Just goes to show how fast and aggressive they are when they just like that. Oh, no. If they're coming at it super fast, let the jig sit. Don't pull it away from them. But if they're moving after it real slow, that's when you can pull it away from them. There you go. Very good.
Oh, nice one.
Nice one. Inner plates. Nope. Give you some slack so that doesn't go in farther. Still in there? Stickies. 12er. Oh, he's got it.
Yeah, because like there, didn't even feel him.
Right. You knocked slack in it though. That's 15. Nice.
Damn.
Oh, I cannot convert these fish, and they're big ones too. You got two
There's a nice one
down.
right there
Oh,
on my
just
top
missed one.
lure.
Yeah. Dubs?
Double.
Doubles, let's go. At least yours is the keeper. I put on the 2 3/4 inch battle shad to catch a bigger one, and all I did was catch the smaller one. Yeah, that's that 2.75 inch battle shad that Swingman Bait Co. makes on a 1/4 ounce jig from Bam's Jig. I really like that. Just natural. All right.
That's where we want it?
Yep. Fresh dumb ones. Oh yeah. Perfect. Just been sliding around, going from school to school. And by sliding around, I mean moving 15 or 20 feet at a time. Things don't work. Whoa!
Who's that guy?
Oh, he's got it.
Yeah.
Good one?
I think so.
Oh yeah.
Top.
Yep. Snot rag fish. Snotty rag. Well, screw it. Never know. Most of the time when I tell people to set the hook, there's actually a fish on.
That goes all
That was
over.
crazy. Wow. Drop it. There's a big one right there swimming. Right at the top. Couldn't tell if we got his attention or not. Oh, we got more big ones coming in. Just let it sit there. Let him hit it. Boom. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Good deal. 19. 19. Why are you doing that? You should be eating it.
Oh,
Oh, he's gonna eat it. Come on.
I just wish I'd get a little bit better bass fishing.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I went to Alabama week before last.
Oh, he's got it. Nice, 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 dude. Good one, too.
Yeah.
Hey, you just got your limit.
Damn it.
Nice, yeah, I know. Dang it. The 20 spot. We love the 20 spot. All right, guys. Well, we made it off the water safe. Bronze, we did it. Got that 20 fish limit and then some. Just had fun kind of putzing around. But yeah, you guys can see the snow has not stopped. That boat ramp is so slick. I thought I had my front GoPro running whenever I pulled the boat out, just in case I actually slid back in, but I did not. But yeah, that's all we've got for you guys today. I broke my rule that I never film on guide trips, but I thought since Bronson and I have been out together and it's pissing down snow and biting fish and that he was by himself, that I'd break my rule one time. So thank you guys so much for watching. We've got a 20 pack to go back to my house and clean up for Bronze, and I'm gonna get back after it this weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.